So after a long time we are continuing our revision. So here in this video I want to revise both our chemistry and physics. The important questions I want to revise so we will get good marks, and it is very crucial for you. First of all, I want to start with the chemistry. So here, as we know that paper style, in that 4 sections are there and it is of 20 marks. So it is very easy to get 20 out of 20 if you prepare the listed questions, or additional questions also can be asked. But my aim is to prepare this many questions. I am 100% sure that you will get good marks. So here are some important questions. First, I will start with the MCQ. So doesn't mean that only 4 MCQs will be there, so all together will be asked. It doesn't mean it can be asked other also, or it may be in a different format. So here, which of the following correctly represents the electronic distribution in the magnesium atom? Now, how to identify the particular option which is given in ABCD format? Magnesium, my dear student, atomic number is 12. Okay, now 12 electronic configuration will start from 2, 8, 2. Find it out, it is there. Yes, it is there. Any option will be given, neglect. Our answer is 2, 8, 2 electronic configuration. 2, 8, 10 plus 12. So magnesium 12. Next, which of the following currently represent electronic distribution of calcium? Calcium atomic number is 20. So in our some of the videos I have given 20 important elements and their atomic numbers also. I hope you might have know about it. So here 20, 2, 8, 8, 2. So it become 20. Now in exam any option will be given, no worry. Our answer is 2, 8, 8, 2. Next, who discovered an electron in 1897 during detailed study of cathode rays in his discharge tube experiment? So, one and only, Sir J.J. Thomson. Sir J.J. Thomson or Goldstein. So, we have to stick to our answer, that is Sir J.J. Thomson. Next, Rutherford alpha particle experiment. Scattering experiment resulted in the discovery of electron, proton and neutron. And we know that the experiment and discovery of the experiment served the Rutherford alpha particle, in that he found out the nucleus at the center. Then only it was scattering. The scattering. Okay. So nucleus in the atom at the center, that is why the particles were scattered. So answer is nucleus in the atom. Correct? So this answers or additional MCQs already there in the textbook that can be asked. Now some important questions I want to discuss as a part of the revision. You can see one by one 10 important questions that crucial for your exam. First, what are canal rays? In our previous video we discussed the defined canal rays, defined atomic number, defined atomic mass. Then on the basis of the Thomson's model of an atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. Because Thomson's model, Sir J.J. Thomson, so in that atom as a whole, because it has 2 charges, positive and negative, it becomes neutral. So that is the reason you will see the NCERT, that answer is given. Define isotopes and isobars, that also we have discussed. Define valency by taking examples of silicon and oxygen. The same question will be there in the textbook. If I will discuss, it will take more time. So just go to the textbook, you will find all answers. You will get NCERT exam solution in there, also answers will be there. Even in your textbook also answers will be there. Why do helium, neon and argon have 0 valency? Because they are inert gases and they are in a halogen group, because their having a optic electronic configuration, and that is why though they don't have any balancing. Now important thing, draw a sketch of Bohr's atomic model with the three cells. Compare Thomson's model, Rutherford model and Bohr's model of an atom. This question can be asked in 5 marks. Draw a sketch of Bohr atomic model can be asked in 3 marks. Okay. Now next is a compare the properties of electrons, protons and neutrons. That can be asked in 5 marks. So these questions are very crucial. All answers you will get inside your textbook. Don't go anywhere. You will get inside the textbook all the answers. Some additional questions will be there. It can be asked in or also. Options will be given to you. Options will be provided. So don't worry. Prepare these questions. You will definitely get good marks. So next we will go for the physics also. Here some of the MCQs based questions are there. A device used to measure the distance traveled by a vehicle. Distance traveled by a vehicle. It is not speedometer. It is not sonometer. It is only odometer. Odometer only measure the distance. If it will be asked a device used to measure the speed by a vehicle, it will be speedometer. Understood? So odometer for the distance, it will measure in the kilometers, and the device measure the speed, it will be 40, 50, 60, 100 speed, that is speedometer. Now retardation by a body is positive acceleration, negative acceleration, zero acceleration, or none of this. The MCQ format will be adding. Answer is negative acceleration, negative velocity. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a vector quantity? Option will be given velocity, option will be given speed, option will be given displacement, option will be given time. Speed is the answer. Got it? Speed is not a vector quantity. Next, the questions which are useful for your exam. You can see here, a car travels first 30 km in 1 hour, next 40 km in 2 hours. Calculate the average speed of a car. The average speed of a car, that formula we have to use, initial speed minus final speed divided by 2, or timing will be there. Okay, like that already there in the text that you will refer. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Most time with this speed and velocity. Distinguish, differentiate between speed and velocity. Now these are definitions. Displacement is what? What is motion? What is acceleration? What is retardation? What is velocity? Okay, all type of questions can be asked. Next, the question is, when will you say a body is in uniform motion or non-uniform acceleration? Uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. This answer, it is there. Just if I will speak, if I will explain, you will think that answer is this. But you refer on the textbook. Straightforward answer there. This question also there. Just go through it. Next, an athlete one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. This is an NCERT question. This is an NCERT question you will get in the exercise NCERT solution. You will get this question. You will get the answer also. Okay, next now. Which give the differences between distance and displacement. That already there. The table is given. In that you will distinguish. And this question, a car accelerates uniformly from 80 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and distance covered by the car in that time. This is also there in the textbook. choice format this is there. Okay, so my dear students, prepare this whole the questions we can have listed here that you will prepare, make note of it, and try to find out all the answers from the textbook itself and get good marks. So for your evaluation too, very much best of luck for that, and get 20 out of 20 and present your paper nicely. So there will not be any hesitation. The assessor will give you marks. Thank you once again. And now onwards we go for the chapters. So this is the end of the revision. My humble request: prepare these questions, get good marks. Thank you once again.